How to create coming soon page in your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create coming soon page in your Squarespace. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to dashboard and then you can choose the website you want to add the coming soon page. After that, you will be in this page. And then you can go ahead to the settings in bottom left corner here. And then as you can see, this is the general settings. And then go to website settings. And then you will find site availability. You can click it. And then you can choose password protected. So you have to choose this one. After that, you can just click save. And then you can go back to the home page. So basically, we're gonna use lock screen feature to create our coming soon page. So you can go to search box here, and then you can search lock screen, and then you click this one. After that, as you can see, this is my lock screen page. So you can choose the layout. You can click change layout here. And then you can choose the layout you want. You can choose whatever you want. Maybe this one and other. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And then go back again after you save it. Oops, I think something wrong. Let's try again. This one, and then click save. And then you can go back again. And then now you can modify or customize the branding and text. So you can choose for the branding. You if you want to add logo or text, I'm gonna choose text. Then I'm gonna choose your website. It's up to you. This is just for example. For the headline, maybe coming soon. So, and then for the body, it's up to you. I'm gonna choose maybe the date, the date of the launch of your website. Maybe, just for example, uh, like that. And then you can choose to display a lock icon or not. I'm not gonna display it, and then click save. After that, go back again. Then now you can add media, you can add image to the background of your page if you want, or a video, it's up to you. You can put the URL or you can upload the video or none. I'm gonna choose none. I want to it simple. And then you can choose the style. So you can change the font of the branding, the color, the font of headline, color, body, and background. You can choose the color of the background if you want to change it. Maybe this one or, it's up to you. Let's say this one, okay. I think it's good. Then you can choose the password, style. And then you can also reset styles to default or you can get set all to the system fonts. And then you can just click save. And now your page is live. So if your customer or people tap your website, they will see this page. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.